Hello everyone, this printer is Epson EcoTank ET-2950 series. I want to show you how to print photos from a computer with this printer. First of all, you need to make sure the printer and your laptop are connected together via a wireless network or Wi-Fi direct or with a USB cable. In this case, we connected the printer via a wireless network, then add it to computer. To load paper, you need to make sure the printable area face up. So we're going to remove this A4 paper. Load 4x6 on the paper tray with the printable area face up, then adjust the paper clip. It will show you automatically on the screen. Scroll down to change paper, select OK to change paper, then scroll down to select 10x15 and 4x6, select OK. Paper type, scroll down to select premium glossy, select OK, then select OK again. So the paper is changed to 4x6. If you connect the printer and laptop together, so what you need to do is you need to go to Epson Photo Plus from this laptop screen or the software to use Epson Photo Plus. Double click it to open. This is Epson Photo Plus. Then select the photo, select photo, then select the size as 4x6, 10x15 centimeter. Select OK. This is the photo we want to print out. Then select OK. First of all, you need to scroll down and select the printer. So make sure you select correct printer, Epson ET-2950 series. Network, select on it. Then you select the paper size as 10x15 centimeter. Layout, borderless. Print source, real paper tray. Media type, Epson Premium Glossy. Print quality, standard. You can scroll down to select high. Standard is selected. Two-sided printing is off. Print all. Then use up or down to select number of copies. Then select print. Sending data. Then select OK. Printing. It will open up output tray. The image is printing. This is the photo we printed out. You can see how smooth and shiny it is. So this is how to print photo from laptop with this printer. Thank you very much indeed.